Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 279. It's easy. If you want to fix this error, type here cmd, type here cmd and then right click on it and click run as administrator. And now let's move to the next step. Type here ipconfig //dns, click enter, and after that type here notch winsock reset, and now just click enter and close it. And after that just type here view advanced system settings, view network connections, and then right click on your connection, go to properties, then go to protocol internet version 4 properties, and then you will find it like that. Select second one here and type and then type 11111000101 and click OK. And that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.